Here's my new Anton Bohaboy twin. It's the larger of the two twins he made. 1-inch bore, 1-inch stroke. This engine runs incredible. 90 degree crank, self-starting, as you can see. His work is not as handsome as Stewart's, but in my opinion, much more robust engines, and any engine I can get to run on 0.20 of 1, sorry about that, 0.20 of 1 PSI is pretty incredibly machined. I will illustrate that. That is 0.20 of 1. All the way up to, that's 20 PSI. That's 40. At 20 PSI, impossible to stop it holding the crank. Absolutely impossible. Which he used drill steel, by the way, for his cranks. Tremendous example of an Anton Bohaboy. Absolutely one of my favorite builders and machinists. That's all.